बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। लेक्स एंड वाटरफॉल्स के बारे में जो एमसीक्यूज़ थे, एमसीक्यूज़ आते हैं इंपॉर्टेंट, उनमें है विच इज़ द बिगेस्ट फ्रेश वाटर लेक इन द वर्ल्ड? लेक सुपीरियर। विच इज़ द डीपेस्ट लेक इन द वर्ल्ड? दुनिया में जो डीपेस्ट लेक है दैट इज़ बेकाल। विच इज़ द लार्जेस्ट लेक इन अफ्रीका? विक्टोरिया। Where is the Lake Superior, the largest freshwater lake in the world, located? In USA. A cataract is a huge waterfall. 6th, Hamoon Mashkale Lake, present in Balochistan Plateau. It is lake of salt water. The Great Bear Lake is situated in Canada. Sinkhole lakes are common in Michigan, USA. The world's highest lake is Lake Titicaca, South America. Total number of Great Lakes of USA and Canada are 5. Oxbow lakes are more common in USA. Hannah Lake is situated near Quetta. Churchill Lake waterfall is present in Canada. Trout Lake is present in Canada. Lake Tana is present in Ethiopia. Which of the following lake is most populated lake in the world? Lake Erie. Tugela waterfall is present in South Africa. Utgardfossen waterfall is present in Norway. Sutherland waterfall is present in New Zealand. Yosemite is a famous waterfall of USA. Highest waterfall of the world is Angel, which is the second highest waterfall of the world. Tugela. Which of the following is called Widow's Tears waterfall? What is the highest height of Angel waterfall? 3181 feet. King Edward III waterfall is situated in Italy. Milligan waterfall is located in New Zealand. Nuda waterfall is located in USA. Slowscan is the name of waterfall which is situated in USA. What is Great Bear Lake? What is the total area of world's largest lake, Caspian Sea? 394,299 square kilometer. Randir is the name of lake situated in Canada. Ontario is a lake situated in Canada. Michigan Lake is located in USA. Which of the following countries are situated around the Lake Caspian Sea? Azerbaijan, India, China and Russia. Which of the following lake is situated in Turkey? Van Lake. Which is the saltiest lake of the world? Dead Sea. Which lake is located in Kenya, Tanzania and Uganda? Lake Victoria. In which country would you find Lake Disappointment? Australia.